välkomna. Hello there. It's Andreas from Torshälla, Sweden. It's a beautiful day outside. Today I'm gonna ask myself, and I'm only able to give half an answer, if there is such a thing as a replacement in Europe for a cult blood red moon. I'm sitting outside, and it's just between it's possible to sit outside and before I go inside and continue smoking in my office. But it's a really beautiful day here in Torshälla in Sweden. Well, cult blood red moon is hard to come by in Europe. And in Sweden, where I am, it's not available. Maybe you can order it online from the States, but you never know what happened with the customs. Still, quite nearby in Copenhagen, it's the Danish Pipe shop. And they have something they called My Own Blend. It's this one. And actually, My Own Blend is owned by the Scandinavian Tobacco Group, who makes cult blood red moon in Denmark, I think. And what they say is that it has Cavendish, Virginia. I read somewhere Burley, but Cavendish and Virginia, and a lot of cherry and vanilla. I think the cult blood red moon also has chocolate, and I don't know. I can smell the cherry. And the vanilla. Wow. Smells really good. Let's see if I can show you how it looks like. Maybe you see. It's quite black. All right. Yeah, well, so I was really curious, happy, when I found out that in the Danish pipe shop in Copenhagen, they make a blend that's called Moon. And the thing that, well, they actually talked to the blender, or I think it's the blender, Lasse Berg, who made this blend, and they say it's a copy of Blood Red Moon, but in Europe we don't have the sugar levels that you have in the States, so it's a little bit less sugar. Still kind of sweet, I think. So. And to light it, it was one of my fantastic clippos. And I smoke it in one of my Falcons. It's quite tasty. It's yeah. I taste the cherry on my lips. And way back there. On the retrohale. I will pause a little bit, come back when I have smoked a little bit more. Yeah, well, I'm back. Coming to the end of the bowl, and in order to taste this, I need to take really small puffs and take a slow retrohale. And it's quite tasty. It's not like sucking on some cherry candy or something like that. It's quite subtle. Sweet, yeah, for sure. And I suppose they have sugar topping sprinkled on it, but not in the level as they can in the States. But I read somewhere they maxed out the European limit. It's good. And of course, this is a blend that almost everybody, like to smell when they are around you when you smoke. Not the mother of my children, because when I smoke vanilla or well, almost any kind of aromatics, she tells me, "Oh, close the door, it smells awful." But when I smoke an English blend or Latakia or straight Virginia, it's totally fine. Yeah. You can definitely taste the cherry. Yeah, the vanilla. I don't taste chocolate, so maybe it's no chocolate. Maybe I just don't taste it. It's very much Cavendishy. A really pleasant smoke, no tongue bite at all. Really good. If you go to Copenhagen, if you go to the Danish Pipe shop, they have so many blends, and they have so many my own blends. This one, and this one is called Move. I recommend it. The minus is that I never tasted cult blood red, so I can't compare it. Is it a replacement? I don't know. Same company, lower sugar. About the chocolate, I don't know if it's in the Cult Blood Red Moon. I read it. I didn't read that it was any chocolate in this one. So, anywho, if you like this, I'm gonna do more videos, whether you like it or not. But if you like it, I would gladly appreciate if you liked and subscribe. Have a nice weekend.